Hi, today I'm going to be talking about a couple of apps that I really like for being able to send out automated text messages. So let's say you have a small business and you want to send out reminders to your clients. This is something you could set up maybe a week before or even a month before for appointments coming up. Or perhaps you have a social event or something like that you want to send out reminders. And so it works out really well. The first app I'm going to be reviewing is called SMS Scheduler. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. You see here, for example, when you want to create a message, you're just going to tap on the name. You can start typing in the name that you want, and it's going to go ahead and automatically populate. And you can choose the person that you want the message to be sent to. Below that, you have the date you can choose, and of course the time. And now below that, you have the message. You can do either type a message, or you can click on the little microphone, and it's going to do a voice message. Now above that, actually I'm going to go ahead and just paste a message that I already had set up here. And this is just talking about, let's say if you have an appointment for doing window washing, so you could add your message. But then what's really nice is above that to the right, you have a little document, a little icon there. If you tap on that, you'll see on my screen there, it added that template. So now if you want to create another message with that, another reminder with that same message, now you have that in your templates. So if I go ahead and hit done, so now it's going to be sending that message at the time that I set it up. So this app works really well overall. Some have commented that at times the message hasn't always gone out, and that's why this is not my favorite app, but it does seem to work well, at least when I tested it. Now, the second app I'm going to be talking about, this is my favorite. It's called Do It Later. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the icon here. And you can see here, for example, some of the various messages that I've sent out and have been successful. So, so this is really the app that I would prefer. If you click on the little plus sign down below, you can see too, this one has more options. So you can send out, perhaps you give yourself a reminder. You could also send out automated calls or even Twitter messages. You can send email messages. The one that I really like, and I think nowadays works really well, is the text messaging, which is here in the middle. So if you go ahead and open that up, similar to the other app, you're going to just type in the name above here that you want to send the message to, and then below that, you can put in the message. And just above the message to the right there, you see the little icons. The first one is for the keyboard, second one is to do a voice message. The third little icon with the little lines there, if you open that up, you also see where you have a template. So you could go ahead and do one of these pre-populated templates, or you could add your own there if you want a message that you want to be able to repeat. So again, this works out really well. Now, as far as your time, down below here you have the different options. I would use the custom normally. So with the custom, you're going to choose, of course, your date that you want. And again, this one's really easy, user-friendly. So you can just pick your date. The time, you could either do a block of time or you could do exact time. So if you click above under exact time, so now you can choose, maybe 6 o'clock for the time that you want to send out your message. So this particular app, like I say, I've had really good success with. As you see there, I didn't put any text, so it's not actually creating the message. But you can see that how this particular app works, and it works really well. And I think nowadays this is something that's very handy to be able to send out messages to other people. So if you want to check out this app, it's called Do It Later. You can download it very easily, and hopefully it works out well. And hopefully you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more great videos. Have a nice day.